Hey guys! This time I have got something really exciting for you. Do not go anywhere, because in this video, we are going to talk about something that will definitely catch your attention. This product really got me interested, and I am sure you are going to love it too. With its design and great quality, this could be the perfect choice for anyone looking for something special. What I like about this product is how well it delivers what we need. From the price to the quality, it is definitely worth considering. If you want to know more, check the description below.
Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you do not miss any other exciting videos. See you in the next video.